Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Only for Trucks. As you guys can see today, we got an excavator on. Close little move, nothing too far, local stuff, but it's a good sized piece. Figured to make for a cool video, hauling something cool. Feels good to be dragging equipment around again, I must say. That's what I started doing, was low bed stuff. So my first couple moves were with my old man and my uncle. Between the two of them teaching me, and my dad was an interesting way of teaching. He's a little loud most of the time, but I gotta say, as I learned to, all right, we're gonna take the run on this one because we got somewhere to be. As I got older and learned how to listen, I did a better job of understanding the things that my dad was trying to teach me. And I'm glad he did. Because it made me the driver who I am now. But we did some crazy things, I'll tell you that. One day I have to tell you guys a story of one of my first times turning a corner with him. But I think he's got to be there to give you his point of view. I mean, it was funny. I didn't know what I was doing. It's great. But yeah, the point is, I started in a low bed, so every time I'm hooked up to one and dragging it around, it kind of brings me back, that's all. I did not see that light change coming that fast. It's not ready. I guess we're gonna make a habit of this today. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. Wrong gear? Come on, where you at? I'm following the guy in front of me, so that's why I had to make the lights. If they were any second worse than what they were, I wouldn't have took them. But I know the intersection's enough, and I knew I could get away with it, so sorry about it. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of funny, guys. I just thought about trying to think about what this thing weighs and how well this truck pulls it. I don't even know what size excavator that is. I think it's a 325. I don't even know. I didn't even look. Sometimes I crack myself up because it's just like it doesn't matter. Like he told me when he told me what I was going to get. He told me when I got there, and I seen it, but it didn't matter. They said it was going to be a touch off the trailer. It's just going to squeeze in there, and I didn't need it. Nothing else matters. But it just cracks me up. Like I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. I don't even know what the word is. Like oblivious or clueless or whatever. Just doesn't matter. All that matters is it fits. I got to take it, and I'm going. You know what it is? Ignorance is bliss. The less I know, the less I need to know or deal with, it's easier on me. Now, what I'm hauling, yeah, is kind of important, I guess, right? But not in this scenario. It's not going far. And I kind of had somebody there, like, I can't explain it, but I didn't need to know, you know? If that makes any sense. But it cracks me up when I think about it. It's kind of goofy, but it's true. But some people, they'd be like, what are you, an idiot? You don't even know what excavator is? No, it doesn't matter. It's big and it's yellow, they're all the same. If it was this wide, it went on the trailer, call it a day. I put the same chains on it, whether it's a 305 or a 349. I put the same 4 chains on the tracks and one on the boom if I feel like it. So it's like, I don't know. It's funny. I know we're coming up on a light here, so I was trying to prepare for a red one. Come around this bend, there's a real big bump here, so we got to slow down and try to go around it the best we can. It's a rough bump. I see he knows about it. Here it is. So this is a private road at this point, and I have a code that's on my phone that's right here. Turn the brightness up. I need to put that in to get in here. Oh man, I missed that bad. Man, that whistle is ear piercing. A little too soon on that. Too soon again. This one's got that white ring around it, so it's optional. Stop sign. Why are you not locking? gotta say, I definitely don't trust this dump truck guy in front of us. Like, he should be going to the same place we're going, but I don't trust them. Sometimes they just stop, dive off. Like, you can never trust whatever they got going on. So I'm gonna keep it laid back a little bit, because I don't like having to jam on the brakes. It's annoying. Man, that guy's got a pretty big trailer on. Check him out. Man. Maybe I should do what he did. Ready? We're swinging it, Jimmy. Swang the meat. Oh, I'm swanging it. Ready? We're going to swing it. Swang it like we got a big dad on there. We're trucking. Man, might have thought I was a truck driver. Already? Ooh, that's how they do it, ain't it? I don't know. I can't do it. I don't like to do it. There was a comment somebody said about it, you know, the moisture in the air system, and that could cause the split shifts to miss. That's a very good point. I never thought of that. But regardless, I still can't get comfortable shifting like that. I do it once in a blue moon, like goofing off, but I definitely don't like it. You know, I really don't. You're right there. These tracks are pretty rough. Try to take it easy. So you ready? We're gonna give it a shot. As soon as we get over these tracks. See, I can't do it. Not well. I don't know. I don't like it. Unnecessary. Here we go. Swanging it again. Keep it out of the mud, Jimmy. Swang it. I know. I got to ready to back up. I don't even see a bump there. Oh, he's saying, bring it on through, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I've had quite a few videos in here in the past. Some of you may remember, some of you may not know, but go check them out. The one of me hauling the blue Ford with the old covered wagon back to its final resting place, that was here. I hauled rebar in here with that blue Ford. Trying to think what else, top of my head else I was in here. There's definitely one or two more, pretty sure. I think we're gonna be unloading it right here. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you guys all said and done. How's that?